Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on military technology from around the world. The Altay Main Battle Tank, MBT, is a modern armored vehicle designed and developed by Otokar, a Turkish defense company. Named after General Fahrettin Altay, a distinguished Turkish military officer, the Altay MBT represents Turkey's ambition to establish a domestically produced and advanced armored platform. It incorporates advanced composite armor and modular protection systems, providing enhanced survivability against a variety of threats, including kinetic energy projectiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and improvised explosive devices. The tank's crew compartment is designed to withstand the effects of explosions and incorporates measures to reduce the risk of fire and explosion. The Panzerhaubitze 2000 is a modern self-propelled howitzer, designed and manufactured by the German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It is one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world, currently in service with several countries, including Germany, Italy, Greece, and the Netherlands. It has seen action in several conflicts, including in Afghanistan, where it has been used by German and Dutch forces to support ground troops. It has proven to be a highly effective and reliable artillery system, capable of delivering accurate and devastating firepower to enemy positions. The A-10 Warthog, a legendary close air support aircraft, has become synonymous with resilience and firepower. Designed by Fairchild Republic in the 1970s, this aircraft has established itself as a battlefield icon, renowned for its unmatched ability to provide direct air support to troops on the ground. The Warthog's unique design contributes to its exceptional performance in close air support missions. The aircraft's straight wings provide excellent maneuverability at low speeds, allowing it to operate effectively in austere environments and tight spaces. Bayraktar Akinci is a larger and more advanced UAV compared to Bayraktar. It has a wingspan of 20 meters, making it the largest UAV ever produced in Turkey. One of the key features of the Bayraktar Akinci is its ability to carry a wide range of munitions, including air-to-ground missiles, bombs, and guided rockets. Additionally, the drone's advanced sensor suite and communication systems enable it to operate in contested airspace and to conduct a variety of missions, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and strike missions. C-19 MSTA-S is a Russian self-propelled howitzer artillery system developed in the 1980s. The MSTA-S has been used in a number of conflicts and military operations, including the First and Second Chechen Wars, the 2008 Russo-Georgian War, and the Syrian Civil War. It has been praised for its reliability, mobility, and effectiveness in combat situations. It has sniper accuracy compared to other self-propelled guns. In these shots, you can see how the Ukrainian defenders are conducting tests of captured two C-19 MSTA-S howitzers. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Army. It is a derivative of the Predator drone and is designed to provide the Army with long-endurance, medium-altitude intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, as well as the ability to carry out precision strikes against ground targets. It is powered by a heavy fuel engine that enables it to operate at high altitudes and in extreme weather conditions. It can be used for border patrol, disaster response, and law enforcement, among other applications. The M9 Armored Combat Earthmover, ACE, is a specialized military vehicle designed to provide engineering and earth-moving capabilities to support combat operations. It is primarily used by the United States Army for various construction tasks, such as digging trenches, clearing obstacles, and constructing defensive positions. The M9 ACE is based on the chassis of the M1 Abrams main battle tank, which allows it to operate in the same theater of operations and keep up with armored formations. The Merkava Mark IV is a fourth-generation main battle tank that was designed and manufactured by the Israeli Defense Forces. The tank is known for its excellent protection, mobility, and firepower, as well as its unique design that prioritizes crew survivability. The Merkava Mark IV features advanced armor protection, including composite and reactive armor, which provides superior defense against all kinds of anti-tank weapons, including heat and APFSDS rounds. The tank also has an active protection system, which uses radar and other sensors to detect and intercept incoming missiles and rockets. The Leopard 2A is a third-generation main battle tank developed by the German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann for the German Armed Forces. It is the latest variant in the Leopard 2 family and has been designed to meet the requirements of modern warfare. One of the most notable features of the Leopard 2A7 is its modular armor system. The tank's standard armor consists of composite materials and steel, while additional armor modules can be added to increase protection against specific threats, such as improvised explosive devices. The Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a cutting-edge armored vehicle that combines advanced firepower, exceptional mobility, and enhanced protection. It was developed by Rheinmetall in collaboration with various international partners. Its deployment enhances the operational capabilities of armed forces, providing infantry units with a versatile and highly capable platform for a range of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and troop transport. One of the key features of the Lynx IFV is its advanced protection systems. The vehicle incorporates advanced composite and modular armor, providing high levels of protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The Type 10 features a number of advanced technologies, including a fully automated turret and an integrated battle management system. The tank is also equipped with a modular composite armor system that provides superior protection against modern anti-tank weapons. The Type 10 is powered by a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries 1,200 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. Its advanced capabilities and superior performance make it a valuable asset for the JGSDF in a wide range of combat scenarios. Rheinmetall Air Defense, a leading global provider of advanced air defense systems, has introduced an innovative solution known as Skynex. Skynex is a truck-mounted system specifically designed to engage and neutralize drone swarms, addressing the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in modern warfare and security scenarios. The Skynex system combines advanced sensor technology, automated target recognition, and rapid engagement capabilities to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones. Mounted on a truck platform, the system is highly mobile and can be quickly deployed to areas of interest or potential drone threats. The Piranha 5 is a highly versatile and advanced wheeled armored vehicle designed and manufactured by the Swiss company General Dynamics European Land Systems, MOAG. Building upon the successful lineage of the Piranha family, the Piranha 5 offers enhanced capabilities and modern technologies to meet the evolving requirements of modern warfare. One of the key features of the Piranha 5 is its advanced protection. The vehicle incorporates a modern and scalable armor system that provides improved defense against a wide range of threats, including ballistic projectiles, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is a modern attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Bell Helicopter. The Viper is an upgrade of the earlier AH-1W Super Cobra, with significant improvements to its avionics, weapon systems, and performance capabilities. The AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system and a streamlined design. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including a helmet-mounted display system, a forward-looking infrared sensor, and a laser targeting system. The Cougar is a mine-resistant, ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicle designed to provide enhanced protection for military personnel operating in hazardous environments. Developed by the American company Force Protection Incorporation, the Cougar has been extensively used by the United States military and other armed forces around the world. Its V-shaped hull design helps to deflect the force of an explosion away from the crew compartment, reducing the risk of injury and increasing survivability. The vehicle's armored construction provides increased protection against ballistic threats, shrapnel, and small arms fire. The F-35 made its first flight in 2006 and has since entered service with several countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Israel, and Japan. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including a sophisticated sensor suite and a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. One of the unique features of the F-35 is its stealth technology, which makes it difficult to detect by radar systems. Its combination of advanced technology, stealth, and maneuverability makes it a formidable opponent in any conflict. Artillery self-propelled mount. The SPGH Dana is a highly mobile artillery system that was developed in the Czech Republic during the 1970s and 1980s. The acronym SPDH stands for Self-Propelled Gun Howitzer, while Dana refers to the Slavic goddess of fertility. The Dana has a range of approximately 18 kilometers and can fire up to 8 rounds per minute. One of the key features of the SPDH Dana is its advanced fire control system, which includes a digital battlefield management system, a laser rangefinder, and a navigation system. The RM-70 is a well-known MRL system that was developed in the former Czechoslovakia and is still in service with several countries today. It is based on the Tatra 8x8 truck chassis, which provides excellent off-road mobility and stability for the launcher system. It is equipped with 40 launch tubes, arranged in a rectangular configuration on a turntable, capable of firing 122mm rockets. The system is operated by a crew of 3 personnel who can quickly reload the launch tubes with new rockets using a specialized loading mechanism. The M109 Paladin is a self-propelled artillery system that has been in service with the United States Army since the 1960s. It is a highly versatile and mobile platform that can provide accurate and devastating firepower to ground troops. One of the key features of the Paladin system is its mobility. The tracked chassis allows it to move easily across different types of terrain, and the howitzer can be fired while on the move. The Paladin also has a range of self-protection features, including smoke grenade launchers and a machine gun for close defense. The Eitan, Hebrew for steadfast, is a wheeled armored personnel carrier designed and manufactured by the Israeli defense company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The vehicle was developed to provide the Israel Defense Forces with a highly mobile and well-protected platform for infantry transport and fire support. The Eitan has seen combat in several conflicts, including the 2014 Gaza War and the 2021 Gaza conflict. It has proven to be effective in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and infantry transport. The Challenger 2 is a third-generation main battle tank that is currently in service with the British Army. It was designed and manufactured by the British company BAE Systems Land, formerly Vickers Defence Systems, and entered service in 1991 as a successor to the Challenger 1. The tank is known for its excellent mobility, protection, and firepower, making it a formidable opponent on the modern battlefield. The tank's engine is also designed to provide quick acceleration, high mobility, and superior power-to-weight ratio, which is important for its role in offensive operations. Thanks for watching our video on the most advanced military technology available today. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with your feedback.